May please, Your Lordship.
Yes, please.
If Your Lordship may allow, I would like to move an unlisted motion.
Where is the matter?
It is an ad interim injunction, Your Lordship, but the order itself amounts to
It's all right.
the suit, Your
Monday.
Lordship, because the respondents are on the basis of
That's
the
for-
interim injunction, they are.
The injunction, no urgency is required. Okay, next, call. Monday.
For motion, item number 1.
Yes,
May it please your Lordship.
what is the order impugned?
Lordship, I am challenging the removal order dated 25/7/2023, Lordship.
Take us to that.
But before that, my Lord, may I take your Lordship to some of the facts of the case?
Just take me to the impugned orders.
Lordship. My Lord, may kindly come to Annexure 55, page 137, the type copies of 138.
Okay. Yes.
May I read, my Lord?
What about, is this that important, 135?
My Lord?
135? I think this is more important, because the impugned order was passed on the basis.
Yes, Lordship. The type copy is on the next page,
Yes,
Lordship, at
yes,
136.
yes,
May I read, your Lordship?
Yes, please, yes.
A special session was directed and authorized by the Deputy Commissioner PAG, White Summon Order number so-and-so dated PAG the 15th July 2023,
Yes.
was held on the 17th of July at Damazo Community Town Hall, Chozuba at 10 a.m. The meeting was chaired by the undersigned as the presiding officer, and the meeting proceedings began by reading aloud all the related provisions under the Nagaland Village Council Act in connection to removal of the Village Council Chairman, referred proviso section 93C of the Act. It may be highlighted to your authority that there are 11 Village Council members and 10 Gangpuras as approved by the government in regards to Yoruba Village. However, with the demise of 2 GBs, namely late so-and-so and such, the effective strength is reduced to only 19. The session had the attendance of 7 village council members and 3 Gangpuras, and it may be known to your authority that all the members present, that is 10 for the session, cast a vote against the incumbent village council and are in favor of removal of the council chairman.
Yes.
The incumbent chairman, Sri Veti Salohe, along with 8 others, failed to attend the session. Now, therefore, in view of the above special session undertaken and with a majority of the council members, that is 10 out of 19, voting against the incumbent village chairman and the undersigned in exercise of power enshrined under the Nagaland Village Council Act 1978, hereby recommends for removal of the council chairman. Your Lordship, the facts leading to this, my Lord will kindly appreciate this.
Yes.
All this has been orchestrated.
Okay, we'll see to that during the hearing. Mr. Joshua Shakti, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Stop, New Para. The petitioner is the former village council chairman of Yoruba village. Stop. The petitioner is aggrieved by the report on selection session, on special session in regards to Yoruba village dated 17/7/2013,
23, Lord.
27/7/2013,
23, my Lord. 2023.
2023,
My Lord.
27/7/2023, by which the extra assistant commissioner, Sadar, within bracket Sadar, Office of the Deputy Commissioner, Peg Nagaland, has recommended the removal of the petitioner as the chairman of the said council. And consequent to which the order dated 25/7/2023 was passed by the Deputy Commissioner Pek Nagaland, removing the petitioner from the post of the Village Council Chairman, Yoruba Village. Stop. It is submitted by Mr. Joshua Shaki, the learned counsel for the petitioner, that the order dated 25/7/2023 is in violation of Section 9 of the Nagaland Village Council Act 1978. Stop. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable within 4 weeks. Since the state respondent is represented by Mr. V. Jamomi, no formal notice need be issued. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall, however, serve requisite copies of the
Respondent
petition
listens.
to the learned government advocate, within a period of
Today, Lordship.
in the course of the day. Insofar as the respondent number 6
My lord.
is concerned, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the said respondent by registered post with AD within a period of
3 days, my lord.
3 days from today. In the interim, it is ordered that the respondents, the state respondents, more particularly the respondent number 2, 3, 4, and 5, shall not fill up the post of the chairman of the village council of Yoruba village, either by way of selection election till the next returnable date. Let us first examine the case.
God bless you, Lordship.
Yes.
From the supplementary cost list
Yes.
for motion, item number 11.
Mr. Tali,
Yeah, please, Your Lordship.
yes, you withdraw your petition and file a fresh petition with a proper and legible copy of the judgment and order.
Yes,
We are not going to accept this. Mr. Wati, you are well conversant with how rate petitions are filed. How can you file this judgment and order which is not legible? And you are giving the portion of the certified true copy in a type, this page. How is that possible? Mr. Tali, you withdraw this and file afresh. We'll give you that liberty at least.
Lordship, this is the worst kind of practice in this whole 6 years. Yeah.
Shall I dismiss?
Yeah.
Shall I dismiss?
No.
Then-
Lordship, I will withdraw the file of fish.
Yes. Mr. Tali, the learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed to withdraw the petition and file afresh. Okay.
For admission, item number 2.
My please, Lordship.
Yes, please.
After that, this matter will be listed after 2 weeks, my lord. The department is under process for coming up with the new fresh compiled list of commissioner applicants, where the petitioner is.
You are for the government?
I'm for the respondent, yes.
You are for the response. And Mr. Why you are so important here?
In the contempt, I'm appearing for the contenders.
Okay. Okay. Your name was previously reflected?
My name was there in the
So you don't have to be there in the contempt unless you are not there in the contempt, no? So why actually we should announce your name when your name is not there? Mr. N. Longober, the learned counsel for all the respondents
Yes.
submits that he may be allowed 3 weeks' time to take necessary instructions. Prayer is allowed, listed after 3 weeks, okay? We are not reflecting your name.
My name was deleted.
Whether your name is there, let's see. This, oh, yes. the name of Mr. Moemchen, learned senior government advocate, shall be deleted as the counsel for the respondents. Stop. Registry to take steps. Okay? Yes.
For admission, item number 3.
Please, my lord.
Yes, please.
I would like to mention on behalf of Learned Council, if the matter can come up after a week.
Okay. You are her senior.
Yes, my lord.
It's,
Not in the case.
it's going the reverse way, eh?
Yes, that's it.
Okay,
She's not keeping well.
okay. Mr. Sentianger, the learned counsel for the, Mr. Sentianger makes a mention on behalf of Mr. V. Tere and seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks,
Well, 1 week, lordship.
for 1 week,
My lord.
on the ground that MS V. Tere, the counsel for the petitioner, is indisposed. Prayer is allowed, listed after 1 week.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Please.
For admission, item number 4.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes, please.
Lordship, on for the petitioner, by order dated 27/7/2003.
27.
In compliance, yes, in compliance of that order, I have taken appropriate steps. So currently allow me 2 weeks time to file in affidavit, the appropriate step I have taken.
Learned counsel, you are the counsel for the,
Petitioner.
you are the counsel for the. In in what context this order was passed, 27/7/2023?
Lordship, by order dated 22/5/2023, I was allowed to record my statement through video conferencing. And I visited, approached IO many times to record my statement through video conferencing, but the investigating officer is not willing to do so, to record my statement through video conferencing. So by order.
Through video conferencing.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. V. Jimomi, there is an order from this court.
Yes, Lordship, on the last occasion, we have produced the latest report with regard to the queries that was, the direction that was given by this honorable court. However, Lordship, through video conference, because they did not submit the mobile number, the contact number, as well as through video conference, it's difficult because some incrementing documents and
Where do you reside? Where do you reside?
Lordship, the petitioner is from the state of Andhra Pradesh.
so, and then on the last occasion, I have also brought to the notice of this honorable court that in the Vahan, the name of the petitioner does not appear. So that was the reason why the petitioner has to appear before the investigation agency in person, so that incrementing documents and so also to sort out whether the documents, the documents itself is genuine or not. So that,
Whether there is any interim order in favor of the petitioner?
no, no such.
And this petition is criminal petition.
Lordship, here the petitioner, they are praying for to release the Unzima, the vehicle, Lordship. And the petitioner is saying that he is the owner of the vehicle. But however, after going through the Vahan portal, the name of the owner does not appear. So that was the reason why. And on the last occasion, this honorable court has directed the state respondent to go through VC. But VC is not possible, Lordship, due to the fact that there is a lot of glitches from this, there is an internet problem also. And then some incrementing documents which they have to submit.
Is he an accused?
He's not an accused.
He's not an accused.
He's not an accused. He's the owner of the vehicle where the consignment was seized.
And the vehicle is still in your custody?
In our custody.
Lordship, I said I have taken appropriate steps. I have submitted all the documents and along with the application to the IO. So kindly allow me 2 weeks time to file an affidavit.
File an affidavit for what?
the steps which I have taken, the appropriate steps which I have taken.
No, steps which you have taken for?
Video conferencing.
They want to conduct it through video conference. But how we have stated that through video conference is not possible. But this honorable court has directed on the last occasion to
You are actually making, last time also you made a submission that the investigating officer is not providing you facility for video conferencing.
yes, Lordship.
But the court says that the record shows otherwise. It seems you are not clean.
Yes, Lordship, earlier to that, I approached the investigation officer and I submitted all the details to him, but the IO is not willing to accept my details, like the contact number. So after my order, after the last
Okay,
order.
Mr. Vijay,
Lordship.
let us honor the truth. Let him file an affidavit.
Lordship.
Let us see.
Lordship.
Okay? So that if necessary, you can also have a reply to that.
Lordship, okay, do that.
Add Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Vijay, the learned public prosecutor, for the respondents, no? All the respondents. Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that. The investigating officer in the case is not providing any facility for recording, for video conferencing, for recording the statement of the petitioner. Stop. This court, by the order dated 27/7/2023, has however observed that, within inverted, the record speaks otherwise. In view of the submissions made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, the petitioner shall file a detailed affidavit on the submissions made by him before the court today, listed after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
For admission, item number 5.
Yes,
Lordship, I am ready to receive instruction, Lordship. So Lordship may please.
this is criminal petition.
Yes, Your Worship, this is in regard to Zima. Your Worship, let this be the last chance because the petitioner is the genuine owner. And then even the alleged accused
What
person.
is the case?
Lordship, they want to release the.
What was the case in connection with which the vehicle was seized? Is it something to do with stolen vehicle?
No, Lordship.
What is the case about?
It relates to a motor vehicle, like Your Worship.
That's why motor vehicle, why? Why actually your vehicle was seized in connection with the motor vehicle act?
No, Your Worship, here on the day of incident, the alleged accused person who was arrested, he had approached the owner of the vehicle for buying the vehicle. But unfortunately, while on the way, he made an accident and hit one old man. So even the accused person has also released on bail since all these sections are
No, I
penalty
think
nature.
if it is to do with the accidental cases, I think we'll give you one more chance. Okay. Mr. Vijay, the learned government advocate, is allowed 2 weeks' time to obtain necessary instructions. Stop. It is made clear that an endeavor shall be made to dispose the application on the next date fixed. Okay.
My job.
Yes.
For admission, item number 6.
Yes.
May I please the Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I am here to receive instruction, Lordship. So, Lordship.
Why, bail, you were asked to produce the case diary?
Lordship.
Case diary?
Lordship.
Yes,
In connection with NDPS case.
in connection with NDPS, huh?
Lordship.
Yes. Okay, there is no order asking you to furnish your instructions. Yes. Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the applicant, and Mr. Vijimomi, learned public prosecutor. Stop. Mr. Vijimomi, the learned PP, shall produce the case diary on the next date fixed.
Lordship.
Listed on
Lordship, if it may be 1 week, 1 week's time, Lordship.
listed on 5/9/2023. Okay.
Also, Lordship, my name has not been mentioned in the cause list, so if it may be reflected.
What is your name?
A. Nikato Watsa.
The name of Mr. A. Nikato Watsa shall be reflected as the learned counsel for the applicant in the daily cause list. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
For orders, item number 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, on behalf of Vishal Pray, may I pray this matter be listed after 2
Who is for the appellant? This is appeal, no?
Yes, Your Lordship, criminal appeal.
Yes. None appears for the appellant, listed after 4 weeks.
For orders, item number 8.
Yes, what is this?
May I please, Lordship, my Lord here, last time we have served for the second time notice to the respondent number 2.
Respondent
And as
number.
per the office note,
What is this IA for?
this is, the IA is for condemnation of the demand.
Condemnation. And what is the case about?
This is an appeal against judgment order dated 18/6/2016,
In what case?
culpable homicide under section 304.
And Yetsabemo Tsopui. He is the informant.
My Lord. This is an amicus curiae case appointed my senior agent.
Notice upon respondent number 2 is still awaited. That order has been continuously passed.
Yes, my lord.
You take first steps.
My lord, we have served notice for the second time in the month of March, and
There is no reflection in the order. Only on 22/9/2022. You take one more steps, okay?
my lord,
By registered post.
my lord.
The learned counsel for the petitioner shall take further steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by registered post with AD within a period of
1 week, my lord.
within a period of 1 week from today, and file affidavit to that effect. You file affidavit? Okay, after
Okay,
that,
my lord. Much
listed,
obliged.
listed after.
For orders, item number 9.
Lordship, this case is ripe for disposal. I have completed steps upon the respondent number 2, for which I have filed my affidavit on 10th of August, Lordship.
Yes. So we'll listen for hearing.
My lord. If it can be taken up as early as possible.
It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties. The pleadings are completed. And therefore the matter can be taken up for hearing. Listed for hearing in the usual course. Okay.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes.
For orders, item number 10.
Yes, Mr. B. Jamami. What was the last order?
Service report awaited, my lord.
Service reported,
On?
On respondent number 2.
newly implicated, DRI. Newly implicated party, Directorate of Revenue Intelligence.
Why bail?
Lordship, this matter pertains to the accused was abandoned by Directorate of Revenue Intelligence, DRI, Dimapur region. Hundreds of cases containing this heroin, a commercial quantity, was seized from the accused.
But
On the last occasion-
where is the new respondent?
On the last occasion, they have implicated the new respondent.
The petition does not show.
They were supposed to file this implement affidavit.
Have you filed?
Lord, I filed my request petition. And I've also served notice.
Where is your request?
Respondent number 2.
Yes, Lordship, they have filed their request petition by implicating respondent number 2.
By which order?
Order of 15/6/23. The order was passed to indicate Senior Intelligence Officer DRI.
15/6/23. Have you served notice?
Yes, on 31st/7/23, I've served notice.
31st/7. Awaiting return service report. On the newly implemented respondent number 2, listed after 2 weeks.
Hello.
Go back.
Okay.